are back with another video. Oh, why does it look like that? Looks weird. Well, we're back with another video, and today we are back at the shop for now. I'm just here because I was working on a Simplicity. The light looks horrible. I don't know why. Oh, shut up. Okay, so yeah, we're back with another video on just what's going on, and we have some things that we are gonna do. So this is what I was working on. I got it all polished up and tuned up. I also hurt my fingers, so mobility is a little bit of an issue when I'm wielding the camera. But yeah, so this is all for the daily, because I am going to be putting an exhaust on there. As you know, a few weeks ago I made a video of me cutting the exhaust up and making it a straight pipe. Well, of course I got in trouble, as I knew I would, and I was gonna order a new exhaust anyway, which I ordered the muffler because I'm a cheapskate. So we're gonna make do with what we have. More work, yes, but sometimes to be a rice, you need to do rice. That made no sense. That's because as it's brain dead. I don't care. So yeah. I'm gonna go pick up the neon, which is stored at the other place. And then we also have the decals, which are gonna be put on. Where'd I put those? You know, I just set those down. I think they're over there. But yeah, so decals are going on the race car. I have to do the wiring on the race car. Exhaust on my car. And that's about it for today. But yeah, so stay tuned, and we're gonna get going. So this has been what's going on with the race car. It's just been sitting here. Got new rims and tires on it, as you can see. Inside is still looking sad. I still got to do wiring. That is one thing that is going to happen maybe next week. There is still no motor. Gotta work on that. Hood is not staying on there, but I am gonna get one of these hood scoops so that way I can be race AF. This fender is beat up. So yeah, looks like the weather has been cracking away at the Bondo. Yeah, so let's get started. First, figure out how to work this. Okay. It's been a while since the last update, so basically all I've done was, I haven't put the one on this side in because this is all crinkled, and I'm gonna need to redo this, basically pound it out. But the one on this side's done. Then we got this one. Then we have and then the top one. So I'm gonna get in the daily and run over to the shop again, so that way my friend and I can start working on it. I don't know when he is going to be around, so I gotta message him and figure that out, and then start working on the race car, or the daily. So stay tuned.